All right, solving logs using properties. We're going to use the properties that we just learned about condensing logarithms to help us solve them now. So when we're looking at this, you see two logs with the same base and they're being added. So anytime we have two logs with the same base and we're adding, then that means we can multiply. So we can multiply the 5 and the 3x. So we get log base 2 of 15x equals 3. Now you have to be kind of careful. We're still trying to solve for x. But you see that there's not a log base 2 on the other side. Well, if there's not a log base 2, that means you can't just cancel stuff out. You need to rewrite it as an exponential. So we get 2 to the third equals 15x. That means 8 equals 15x. And then just solve. So divide by 15 on both sides. And we get 8 over 15 equals x. Okay, so that's how we can solve using properties. Remember, adding means multiply, subtraction means divide. Numbers down in front move up as exponents. Be very careful to make sure that you're looking for a scenario like this. There's not a log on the other side, so you just can't cancel it out. You have to rewrite it. So let's look at one more problem with properties. All right, we have logs with the same base. They're being subtracted. Subtraction means to divide. So we get log base 3 of x plus 4 over 2 equals log base 3 of 5. Now something very, very nice happens in this problem that didn't happen in this problem up here. You have log base 3 on each side, so we can just cancel those out. So now we have x plus 4 over 2 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 2. X plus 4 equals 10. Subtract 4. X equals 6. Okay, so in this problem we were subtracting, which means we had to divide. But then the logs canceled out, so that means we're just left with a simple algebra equation that we needed to solve. Okay, so solving logs using properties, not too complex. Just make sure you condense them first, and then we can solve them. Pay attention to logs on both sides or not logs on both sides. All right.